this tutorial, we'll learn how to fix Duolingo app icon. Occasionally, the app icon might look strange and sad. It may appear distorted or just not look right, but don't worry, it's an easy fix. So, what's causing the Duolingo app icon to look off? This is actually part of a clever marketing strategy by Duolingo to grab your attention. It means to catch your eye and spark your curiosity. It's not a problem with your account or device. If you haven't used the app in a while, the icon might change to encourage you to return and keep up with your language lessons. The main reason for this icon change is an activity. If you haven't been using Duolingo for a while, the app may alter its appearance as a reminder to get back to your lessons. So if your icon looks old, it's probably due to your lack of recent use. Now that we know why this happens, let's discuss how to fix it. If you want the normal icon back, the first thing to do is check if there's any update for Duolingo app. Sometimes, updating the app will restore the original icon. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for Duolingo, and if an update is available, simply tap Update. If this doesn't work immediately or no update is available, don't worry, the app icon may go back to normal after some time, especially if you start using the app regularly again. For Android users who keep experiencing issues, you can also try clearing the app cache or data. If none of this solution works, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can usually resolve any lingering visual glitches. That's the end of this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more.